Hey guys, it's J-Man here with another YouTube video, and this video is going to be about programming with Qbasic and Qbasic. They're practically the same program, only that Qbasic is for Windows 7 and Qbasic is for Windows Vista and Windows XP. So yeah, let's get started. And the first function we're going to do, the first command, is the print command. So all you have to do is type print, and then it will practically, the thing that you type after it will show it on the screen. And so you have to use quotation marks and type whatever you want. Just for example, we'll type hello world. So, and then you put close quotation marks, and now at the top here will be a button, and this is called run. So, and now you have to click start or press F5, but this is the easy way. And now it will just show you hello world here, if you can see it. And then you just have, see, like it says down here, you have to press any key to continue. Just press space, and that's the first function. Now, there isn't really much. Oh yeah, there's another function called dim. It stands for dimension, and it pretty much declares whatever you want to do. Like, just for example, now we're gonna do num1 for number 1. And then for example, we'll just type integer, and an integer is a number without a comma, without a decimal. Yeah, and it's practically any number that has maximum of 5 numbers in it, and that's not a decimal number. So now you already know everything for a very simple calculator. Let's get started. Yeah, so first you have to declare 2 integers. First one is num1 as integer here, and crap. Yeah, I see the mistake. Integer. And then we have to dim num2 as integer. And now you just have to type input and some quotation marks again. And then you have to type what is the first number. Very easy. And you'd think that you have to put a question mark, but actually if you put a semicolon, then it will do that for you. Just put a semicolon and space, and then you have to type num1. So so the computer knows that the input, that the first number is num1, and then input again, and now you have to type what is the second number, and close quotation marks, and then practically the same thing, only that now you just have to type num2. And now to practically the calculator part. And this is a very simple calculator, but now you just have to type a few more words, and then you've practically made your own calculator, your very first program. And so now you just have to go num1 and whatever operation you want. So you can do minus, plus, oh yeah, and divided is this, and no, divided is this, and yeah, and the little star here, that's times. So I'm just gonna do plus for now. num1 plus num2, and now you're already ready to run the program. And here you have it. You'll have your first calculator. It's just what? Oh yeah. You have to first go print, and then num1 plus num2. Sorry if I'm confusing you guys. I'm sort of tired, but yeah, and yeah. Now you can run the program. See here, down here, it says creating exe file. So now here, it will show you it will ask you what is the first number, question mark. So you can type any number at all, but it can maximum have 5 numbers in it. So here 5 ones, but for now I'm just gonna do 30, and then you hit enter, and then we'll do 20, and you hit enter again, and here it will you can see here it will show you the result, and then here you just have to press any key to continue. Just gonna press space again. Yeah, and that's practically the first episode, the first tutorial I'm gonna show you, and I might make a second tutorial, but I'm not sure. So yep, bye guys.